the full outfit for the night. The first dress I'm wearing in Positano, Italy. Why is this robe right here? First dress of the night, Positano, Italy. The dress is from InStyle. Link will be below. Earrings are from Amazon. I got these in silver and gold. They're so cute. They were probably like less than $10. This really cute everyday bag with the little gold stands at the bottom. This is from H&M. If you do get this bag though, it doesn't close all the way. H&M. I think that's it. Little maxi dress. This is cute though. And I put my flats on because we're gonna be walking long distance. I got my shades. I probably got these from Shein somewhere because they be having like $3 shades. Child. Cute. Let me show y'all the view. Hold on, let me show y'all the room. Here's the room. And here's the groom. I just said, look at the view. Okay, let me go back and show the room. Super cute room. Got Jess on the screen. This is the view, guys. Goodness gracious. All right, let me just do it real slow. View for y'all. So beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Do you see this? Look at this cake topper. Beautiful. Goodness, guys. I mean, come on, let's get us in the backdrop. Come on, love. Can you dig it? Look at that. Beautiful. All right, we are going to dinner. Bye, y'all.